cannot wait to get into my bed. I slept so good. What in the? Was I drunk last night? I don't remember putting these on.
Oh my freaking gosh!
Hi guys, fucking brightest book. Yeah. I'm on my way to go get my daughter. I work this morning. Today is December the 13th. Tomorrow is my fucking birthday. I will be turning 39. Last year in my 30s. And it's fucking crazy because I still sometimes feel like, you know, I'm not even this old. It's so weird as fuck. But whatever. I actually am. So, yeah. A lot happened yesterday. And I was so fucking tired. I barely wanted to get on here and edit and talk to you guys at all. Like, it was so much going on. So much. Jamal wouldn't give me back particular items that was not his. Never gave it to him. And I called his bluff and told him when he gave me the stuff bag, I would give him his stuff back. And it was a couple of items. I ended up taking it or whatever as collateral. And I'm like, you're not going to give me my stuff back? We'll do a trade. Whatever. Here you go. And he sends me messages. And I'm like, I'm not going to play this game. I'm not going to play. Long story short, he moved out last night. He was supposed to be moving out on the 16th anyway, which is this Friday. Well, really the 17th because he said Saturday morning when I asked him last time. So, whatever. It is what it is at this point. He claimed that he was going to pay his portion of the rent, but when he left, he told me pretty much F me, and he's not paying it. And he also, I was like, well, you'll pay it in child support or whatever. And he was like, yeah, if I pay that. So, you know, people show you who they really are. You gotta pay attention. They really do. So, it is what it is. I'm never gonna chase somebody. Like, never. And if he wants that from me, he's fucking out of his mind. All of this shit, like everything that's going on and stuff, it's literally because of me being fed the fuck up. Like, me being fed up with the bullshit. And stop apologizing every fucking time. And y'all know he's never apologized to me. Like, he apologized one time because I said he never apologizes. But in 10 years, like, I asked him a question. It was a question that was in this book or some shit, a magazine I was reading, and it was like, what's something as a man that you do to get back on your girl's good side after an argument? And I'm like, do you realize that he doesn't do any, like, there's nothing that he does. He doesn't try to do any fucking thing. Like, he just pretty much, it's all on me every single time. So I'm just like, he gives no effort. I can't. He'll go 3 fucking weeks. I don't have time for that. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's shit. I'm not. If y'all haven't tried these chips, fucking try them. Because they're amazing. Late July, I fucking love them. They're better than Doritos. Yeah. Anyway, I'm about to sit here and edit and eat a little bit. And my house has been so peaceful. Like, walking home today, knowing that that energy is not coming in my house, in my presence, I'm excited. Fucking dope. Let's make dinner.
Mommy,
What?
tell him to get off.
Kaden, get off.
Yeah, Kaden, get off. Mommy, take it off. I'm stuck. You gotta listen to Kaden. I'm stuck. I mean, you gotta listen to Mom. I'm stuck. I'm stuck, she. Oh, okay. I'm still stuck. Okay. Oh, I'm still stuck. I'm still stuck. Let me get you. You stuck. Pete, oh,
That
you're stuck.
Korean barbecue, baby.
I'm still stuck.
Yeah.
I'm still stuck.
Can you believe that's plant-based? Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I'm eating some Alfredo with some spinach. Got my noodles popping. And cut up some tomatoes. It's about to be on and popping.
I gotta do it. I gotta put it in my bag, bro.
I got y'all 1 second. Good job. You get a lot done when you're quiet. Huh?